Okay, ma'am. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. Incus, actually 30th bit. This bit explanation we will discuss 21 chapter, 21 bits. So incus malus states it belongs to the ear. Ear ossicles. I said the ear ossicle bone, so that they have asked, but its explanation comes on next chapter. No problem, already you studied in 10th class. Okay, so incus A, 3, anvil shape, B, 2, stirrup shape, C. So option 4 is correct. Happy morning, ma. Option 4 is correct. See, 30th question. Answer, 30th question. 30th question. Answer, 4th option is correct. 4th option. See, A3, incus anvil shape. Incus anvil shape. B, 1, hammer shape. C, states stirrup shape. About this explanation, 21 chapter, when ear topic comes at that time, I will say just now keep option 4. Okay, incus malus states 3. These 3 bones are called ear ossicles, which are located in the middle ear. Okay, that's all. Next, 31 question. Answer, 31 question. The U-shaped bone present at the base of buccal cavity. If you wanted to keep this answer, hyoid bone in material, hyoid bone. Yes, hyoid bone. So it is U-shaped bone present at the base of buccal cavity and larynx. Buccal cavity and larynx. At the base of buccal cavity and larynx. Buccal cavity, larynx and lower mandible. Mandible means lower jaw. Okay, this U-shaped bone helps to open the larynx, voice box. Okay, that is hyoid. The people say that U-shaped bone is hyoid bone. It is a single U-shaped bone present at the base of the buccal cavity between the larynx and lower jaw. Lower jaw means mandible. So the hyoid bone keeps the larynx open always. Okay, that's why second option is correct. Why not remaining options? Not correct. That is we will see. Skull. So U-shaped bone and skull is not related. So option 1 is wrong. Incus, it is a part of middle ear. So incus is wrong. Stapes, it is also part of middle ear. Okay, so that 31 options, second is correct. Remaining options were wrong. 32 question. The longest bone of the thigh is, already since your lower classes you are studying, the longest bone of our body, not only thigh, our body is phalanges. See, these are digits, phalanges. This much only length in this 3 bone, 1 bone, 2nd bone, 3rd bone. So it is not long. So first option is wrong. Tarsals, metatarsals. See, tarsals, it is also short bone. Femur, thigh bone, it is the longest bone. Metatarsals, it is also short. Okay, the correct option is 3rd. Only 33 question, match the following. Match the following, you see. Tarsals, phalanges. Tarsals, these are present in leg. Phalanges, toes. Metatarsals, these are also present in leg. Femur. Now see. Option 1 or 2 or 3. What? Option 1 is correct. Amresh. Very good, ma. You might have studied. Okay, option 1 correct. Tarsals. How many tarsals are there in our body? 7 tarsals. Leg 7, hand 8. Phalanges. how many phalanges are there? 14. Metatarsals, 5. Metatarsals, 5. Femur, D, 1. Okay, 2. D, 2, 1. Okay, so the correct option is 1. Here we cannot discuss remaining option, no need. Okay, these bones, hand in hand, what are the bones? In legs, what are the bones? They remember, if you remember, if you read, then you can see option. So here one thing you have to write. Tarsals, 7 I said, tarsals. Tarsals are 7. In hand, 8. Those 7 names, I will say, you write. In that question only, if you space is there, those 7 tarsals names I will say, write down. Talus. See, these is 7. Talus 1, calcaneal 2, navicular 3, cuboid bone 4. 5, 6, 7 called cuneiform bones. First cuneiform, second cuneiform, third, second, first cuneiform. Third cuneiform, second cuneiform, first cuneiform. Heel bone. Okay. Foot, in the foot, tarsals 7. Those 7 tarsals, individual tarsal name is talus, calcaneal. It is also called heel bone, navicular, cuboid, third cuneiform, second cuneiform, first cuneiform. Sir, what is the use of these bones studying, sir? See, whatever the knowledge you have learned, that knowledge would not be lost. It will be helpful throughout in your education life, any stage. Okay, that's it. So 33 question, correct option is 1. 34 question you see. 34 question answer you see. The joint present between radius and ulna. I said this is here radius and ulna. This is humerus, here radius and ulna. So the joint present between radius and ulna is option 1, gliding joint. Actually, gliding joint is called ankle joint. Tarsal joint. Gliding joint is ankle joint. So they have asked radius and ulna. So option 1 is wrong. 2, saddle joint. Saddle joint, it is present in between thumb and carpals. But they have asked radius and ulna. So it is radius and ulna. So saddle joint is wrong. Pivot joint. Pivot joint. So pivot joint, it is present in hand. This helps to rotate our hand. Due to this pivot joint, we can rotate our hand. So third option is correct. Fourth one, angular joint. It is a new one. It's not there in our syllabus, but also it is important to learn. Angular joint. Everybody write there. In textbook it now is not there. In my reference books also I could not see. Okay. So in this object too I have seen angular joint. So the angular joint means angular joint. Right down there. Between metacarpals and phalanges. Between These are here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metacarpals. And phalanges. Phalanges means disease. In between, here and here. In between, here it will be there. That's why we can rotate our fingers, our hand fingers. Okay? That's why these are called angular joint. Okay? So, angular joint present between metacarpals and phalanges. Ehlers movement in all directions. It can move all directions due to presence of angular joint between digits and the metacarpals. Here will be there. That's why we can see here. That's why we can here also. That is angular joint. Learning is important, so that I say. Correct option is 3. 35. For this question, disorders of skeletal and muscular system. In that, the first one is muscular myasthenia gravis disorder. I said. If you read that, you can say. In myasthenia gravis, dash is affected. First, sarcoplasmic reticulum. So, sarcoplasmic reticulum is not affected in myasthenia gravis disease. Okay, option 1 is wrong. Option 2, sarcolemma. It is a membrane, plasma membrane, thin layer. So, no chance to affect. Neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction means what? The junction between neurons and muscle fibers or muscles. I said where neurons are connected to the muscles, that place is called neuromuscular junction. At that particular place, it can release neurotransmitters. Contractions of skeletal muscles. Introductory part I said. Excitation of skeletal muscles topic I said. In that you read. Okay, so the correct option is neuromuscular junction. T-tubules, tropomyosin tubules. So for this and myasthenia gravis is not at all related. So that fourth option is wrong. The correct option is third. 35 question, the correct option is third. So this myasthenia gravis disease is an autoimmune disease. Autoimmune, self-immunity power is decreased. In such cases, myasthenia gravis disease is affected. Okay, that's this is the section A bits. In this section A bits, so all the bits were easy. All the bits. Section B bits. Objective type questions. See, section B. Select the true statement. Yesterday I said that. Select the true statement. Yesterday, hurriedly I drawn that diagram on the board. If you have textbook, page number same, yesterday said. Page number 305, 20.2 diagram. 20.2 diagram. See, I draw Z line. Here what I draw? Actually, here those are all actin filament neatly I have to draw. But if you wanted to draw this is neatly, it will take half an hour time only. That's why hurry I am drawing. It is A band. It is sarcomere. Other than that, what is there? That only. So yesterday I said that M lines. What I say? Thick filament in the A band held together in the middle of this band by thin filamentous membrane is called M line. This is called M line. This is M line. Okay, so M line passes through the center of H2. Yesterday we discussed M line. This is M line passes through the page number 305. M line. This is M line passes through the H2. This is H2 through the H2. So now I have given options. Already material is there. I have given clue diagram. Select the true statement. A band is present in the middle of sarcomere. A band is present in the middle of the sarcomere. Yes, from here to here sarcomere. Middle of the sarcomere only A band is present. So option 1 is correct. H zone is present in the middle of A band. See, H zone in the middle of A band only H zone is present. H zone in the middle of the within the center of the A band there is a light area is called H zone. Hansen's zone. Hansen's disk. I said so. H zone is present within A band. So two options is correct. M line is present in the middle of H zone. M line is present in the middle of H zone. 3 is correct. All of these answer say. I have given clue. Answer say. Still what you are doing? Select the true statement. Among those, which one is true statement? Hello, are you there? All of these, you have taken this much time. All of these, okay. So whatever the remaining 3 options are there, correct. Correctly given. Here, rough diagram, neatly like textbook drawing is not possible. I can draw, but it takes time. That's why I'm saying page number 305, 20.2 diagram follow. Yesterday I said using the diagram. Okay, in the textbook diagram, in the middle, M line they did not draw. You draw. With pen or pencil, you make it like this way and write M line. So the correct option is 4. Second, 36 object 2. During muscle contraction in a skeletal muscle fiber, calcium ion combines with C, TPP, TPC, TPI, tropomyosin. The option, very good. Amaresh, very good. C. TP means troponin. 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 Troponin consists of 3 subunits. T and C. C. Page number 306. 306. Diagram 20.3. A diagram you see. Or else in that above in that page matter is there, in that you will get it. But about the troponin, they in our book they said that 3 subunits. Those 3 subunit names T, I, C. Troponin T, troponin I, troponin C. In this, when muscles are contracted, so during muscle contraction in the skeletal muscle fiber, calcium ion combines with troponin C. Troponin C. Okay, so skeletal muscle contraction. First step, excitation of skeletal muscles. When excitation of skeletal muscles, at that time, signals are passed to the skeletal muscles. Those signals are reached to the neuromuscular junction. At the neuromuscular junction, it releases neurotransmitters, acetylcholine. The acetylcholine produces action potential. action potential facilitate to release calcium ion. Those calcium ions are binds. When increased calcium ions, those increased calcium ions are binds to the troponin C of the troponin. Those calcium ions are binds one of the subunit, that is troponin T, troponin C. Okay, troponin C. Option 2. So when the calcium ion binds to the troponin C, then what happens? Tropomyosin. Troponin and tropomyosin filaments are move away from its original state to another direction. At that time, that helps to formation of cross bridges with tropomyosin, with the thick filament, with myosin, thick filament. Okay, that's it. If you study what I am speaking, you can understand. Okay, but now troponin, tropomyosin, the dental explanation now again I can't give. I have given for skeletal muscle means that is very difficult. However, how many times you hear also it is very difficult. So I have revised it. Like that every topic I cannot revise. You have to study. Third question. The contraction of muscle of shortest duration is seen. See, some bits in every chapter, some of the bits beyond textbook, 1 or 2 bits with the application oriented comes. No problem, I will give explanation. See, the contraction of muscle of shortest duration. So the contraction time is very short. The duration of contraction takes very short time. That is seen in jaws. Jaws will take time 0.2 seconds, 0.3 seconds. Okay, rather than that, less time. So option 1 is wrong. Jaws. Eyelids duration is very short. Heart duration is different. Altogether, lumped up altogether, duration is different. 3 phases. So totally 0.8 second duration. Less than that in this time. So among the 4, shortest contraction duration time is eyelids. Our eyelids. Okay, someone said already 0.01 second. Okay, so even for camera also not capture that much shortest time it will be blink. It will show contraction. So in eyelids, the correct option is 2 eyelids. In a contracted skeletal muscle fiber, for this question, page number 308 diagram is there. Page number 308 diagram is there. In that diagram, you will see. In a contraction, skeletal muscle fiber, what happened? 1, M line disappears. 2, H zone elongates. 3, I band remains constant. A band disappears. M line disappears. That's why in this space here where is M line is not shown. Why? During contraction time the M line is disappears. Okay, that's it. So option 1 is correct. In a contracted skeletal muscle, M fiber is disappear. H zone, I zone, A zone, those will present. H zone shortens. I band shortens. Okay, during contraction, H zone shortens. I zone shortens. A band actually present. I said this when I am saying lesson. So that's why. So during contraction, okay, A band as usually present, remaining all gets shortened. That's why comparatively comparatively relaxed, contraction little bit, length is decreased, maximally contraction, length is decreased. Okay, when contraction comes, okay, the H zone I band length is decreased, but A band, here the length of the A band, here length of the A band as usually present. It is important, bit has come on that only I said, from that only bit has come. So H zone shortens, I band shortens, but A band remains constant. But M line disappears. Among those three, H zone is present, I zone is present, A zone is present, but M line is disappears. So the correct option is fourth one. Yes. Fifth question answer. Actually, this is also in our syllabus not there. Okay, so this related information in our syllabus they did not give, but it is important to learn. That's why. One of the following ions is essential for muscular contraction. For muscle contraction, one is important. Two is important. Among those two, one already I said. Along with one, what is another pair? Now we have to discuss. Sodium ion and calcium ion. So, sodium ion not. Okay, option 1 is wrong. Magnesium ion and calcium ion. Yes, second option is correct. Magnesium ion and calcium ions are important. So, here already we have discussed calcium ions are bonds with troponin C of troponin complex. Okay, along with this, magnesium ion, Mg2+ also important. Why Mg2+ is important? See, G-actin, globular actins. See, this whole is a filament, actin filament. Individually and non-individually, this is globulin. Individually, like this way, globular protein molecules are assembled and form strong filamentous. So here, G globular actin is converted into filamentous actin. See, these individual, like this way, individual globular actin is converted into, like this way, filament. Individually globular actins is all assembled and form a long thread-like structure that is called filament in presence of magnesium ions. If this magnesium ion is not there, G actin does not convert it into filamentous actin. Therefore, two options is correct. So about calcium ion, everybody knows that. Calcium ions are binds to the troponin C of the troponin complex. Okay, so option 2, magnesium ion and Mg2+ and calcium ion. Okay, fifth question, option 2. Sixth question. Yes, this is in this chapter not there. This bit in this chapter not there. Next chapter, upcoming chapter will come, but they mixed in this chapter. No problem. So it required much explanation. Okay, so just keep answer -70 millivolts. Just answer -70 millivolts. So this explanation next chapter will. Much one topic is there. After that topic, you get to know that. Go to next bit. Seventh bit. So many students, sixth bit is question answer is 1. Seventh question. Answer. Try to say. Seventh question answer. Try to say. In one of the following functions, white muscles are not used Okay, so they said that white muscles are not used. Fast and stillness means energetically work, actively work for short duration. Eyelid only. Fast and very energetically work and takes very short time. Our eyelid. Eyelid. Instead of the eyelid, white fiber is there. That white fiber helps to rotate eyeball. Less than 0.1 second. Fast. Okay, that's it. Third, for sustained work at a slow rate for a prolonged duration. That only. For sustained. For support work at a slow rate, very slow rate, but it requires prolonged duration. Question 1, in one of the following functions, white muscles are not used. So for third, white muscles are not used. White muscles, there is present, their work duration is very short. But third one is white muscles are not used. Why means it requires more duration. Fast like as in sparrows. Fast flights as in sparrows. Okay, so fast flights as in sparrows. Sparrow will fly fast. Like that, fast work, white fibers. In this one, in our eye, white fibers are white, eyeball, white, eyelids, white. Fastly works. Like that compared, sparrow is not related. Sparrow flight very fast and run fast. So fast flights as in sparrow. So those three are requires very short duration. But for third requires more. So according to the question, the correct option is 3. Seventh question option is 3. Eighth question. Answer. Cori cycle involves. Already we discussed yesterday. Third option, liver and muscle both. That's it. See, when biology exam already we have shared timetable. So in that